Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of WhiteCane Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, I will show you a hidden settings of Android, which means your smartphone, which really helps you, especially when you are giving your smartphone to someone else for any reason. Friends, sometimes we need to submit our smartphone to the service center for servicing. Maybe they will change the parts like battery or other things, or maybe some other purposes, especially changing the parts, no matter whether it is under warranty or after warranty. The main problem is we always think that they will steal our data. They can see what are the applications we use. In Samsung there is a mode called safe mode, which you can turn on and then you can give them, and after that you just turned off the safe mode after receiving your device. But what about other Android devices? Yes, for other Android devices there are some options. There is a hidden settings which you might not know. So today, after watching this video, you'll also learn about this feature, and you can also turn on that feature, and then you'll give your smartphone to the service center, and it will be little bit safe. But before telling everything, if you are interested to take one-on-one personal training on Python programming, then you are come into the right place. Now we are offering 25% discount on our personal coaching fees. So those who are interested to learn Python programming, please visit our official Python programming course page and book your slot now. Session will start from January 2026. If you are watching this video after January 2026, so you can still visit that page. Maybe some offer is also available for you. But if you are watching before January 2026, then this is the best chance for you, because this 25% discount will not last for a long time. So everything is personalized, which means you can learn at your own time. You can learn, you will be guided special trainers, you will get the certifications, you will get class recordings, code files, PDF notes, and chance to enhance your knowledge, chance to develop a real-time project, and then also chance to get employed, because we are now trying to give you the full training program. So if you are interested, join our Python Adventure course. For more details, check out our website from the about page of our official YouTube channel. And one last announcement, guys. There are one interesting audio game. Yes, interesting audio game has just released. So if you wish to know more about this game, and if you want to download and use, then don't forget to subscribe us on Telegram and WhatsApp. There we will post every details about the game. So join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel from the video description. Without further delay, let's get started.
Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
To see if this feature is available in your phone, you have to open the settings application. As I am using Redmi mobile phone, so all Redmi users will have this option. Maybe if you are using Samsung or others, you can also find the same option in other areas. For Redmi, I am telling you the details. If you need any help like Realme or any other handset, then you can just DM in the comment section, or you can DM us on the Instagram also. So I will check and I will reply to you definitely. So after opening settings, you have to go to the additional settings.
Additional settings.
And after going to additional settings, just swipe left to right.
Date, language, region, accessibility,
So
6
these
of
are the
20.
settings you already know about.
Gesture shot, one hand, clear speaker, screen recorder, special feature, floating windows, memory extend, second space, for accounts and sync, 16 of 20.
So here you will also find accounts and sync option.
Users, signed in as owner,
See,
17 of
users. So this is the option where you need to click. So first time I'll click here.
20. User, allow multiple users.
So by default this is turned on. If you want you can turn this off.
Turned on, switch, users, heading, you owner,
You
2 of 5.
owner. So right now owner is selected.
Add user, 3 of 5.
Then you can add a new user if you click here.
Pop-up window.
Let's see what happens.
You can add user profiles to share this device with other people.
Okay.
They'll have cancel. You can add user profiles to share this device with other people. They'll have to set up their profiles after you create them. Any user can grant permissions on behalf of all user profiles that exist on this device.
Okay.
Cancel next button.
So you need to click on next, and once you click on next, then
Line.
might be a new
Cancel
user
button.
will be created.
Users.
Okay, so I'm not going to press OK button or next button, because what is this user? First you have to understand what is this user, and then you will also find the guest mode option. I will show you the guest mode, but before that let me describe what is the user things. So suppose you are using your phone, so you are the owner and you have a complete profile. Suppose you are using WhatsApp, Telegram, you are making calls, you have 4-5 email accounts, you use different you use, let's suppose you use auto TTS or voiceify TTS, you set some color themes. Okay, total everything is considered as an owner profile. You are the user. Here you will create another user. Suppose user 1, you are owner. After owner you can create user, like for example user 1. Okay, then once you create that user 1, user 1 will be a separate profile. Remember, the smartphone is same, everything is same, but when you activate the user 1, it will go back to the default profile. Default profile means, suppose here I am using Microsoft launcher, but if I activate user 1, it will go back to the system launcher which is provided by Xiaomi. Now I am using auto TTS, but when I go back to the user 1, like create the profile and go back to the user 1, then auto TTS will be deactivated and Google TTS will be activated. Even it will start from the scratch. You have to reconfigure it again, everything. Okay, once you are configured, then you can easily switch the user. You will get a switch button just on your home screen, or you can come to this settings dialog and there you can switch the user. Okay, the best part is every user can give the permission on behalf of other users also, and I think you can limit some features also. I'm not sure because I didn't get time to explore, but I have seen that you can limit some things, some features, what are the other features they can use. And the best part is the guest mode. I hope now it is clear to you what is user profiles, and you can definitely, if you want to use, you can use. Next,
Guests. Add guest.
Add
5
guest.
of 5. Stop recording. Add guest.
if you
5
just
of
click
5.
on add
It
guest,
lists 5
then it will be
items.
adding a
Window
guest
users.
profile, and guest profile will be like a new profile. New profile means everything will be new. It looks like a new smartphone. They bought a new smartphone and they need to design everything. Even they cannot see the applications which you are using. So whenever you need to submit your handset to the service center, always turn on the guest mode so that they cannot steal your data directly. They cannot see your data directly. But remember, this is not the secured things, but yes, from the front end point of view it is secured. But obviously if they want, they can steal your data still from your phone's hardware, from your phone's memory. But at the UI point of view, you can see, like you can also save, little bit safe, though they are not doing that, but still you are little safe. So if you are interested, you can use this hidden feature of Android. I hope every Android has this common feature. If you're interested, definitely you should use, at least try once, and then let me know into the comment section your feedback and suggestion. That's it guys for today's video. If you find this content useful, like the video, press the hype button and share this video with others. Subscribe to WhiteCane Academy for more interesting tech tutorials. If you are interested in Hindi channel, don't forget to subscribe our Hindi channel also. Links are given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.